today I will show you how you can use Claude to build a fully autonomous product ad engine. It will write your scripts, it will generate the videos, and it will deliver finished video ads.
Stop drinking Monster and switch to Pink.
You should give it a try. It gets me going every day.
I love Pink.
And this without us having to touch a single thing. So we make this possible by connecting Claude to Arcads via an API key. And I will show you everything step by step so you can replicate it on your own. Here's how we're going to break it down. First, we're going to set up the 3 tools that make this whole system work: Claude Pro, the Anthropic API, and Arcads. I will show you exactly what each one costs and why you need all 3 and how they talk to each other. The whole thing runs for under $250 a month, less than one freelancer for 1 day. Then we're going to build your workspace. This is where most people skip and wonder why nothing works. We're going to set up your project folders, store your API keys, and create something called a Claude MD file. This is basically the agent's brain. Every time you open this project, Claude reads that file first, it sees your quality checklist, your rules, all in one place. After that, we run the agent. You paste in your product brief, and from that point, Claude takes over. It reads your brief, writes all your scripts, and browses Arcads to find the right actors, submits everything to the API, and downloads the finished videos straight to your desktop. You literally walk away and come back when it's done. And the last part is where it really gets unfair. After your ads have been running for 48 hours, you paste your performance back into Claude, CTR, CPM, and it tells you what's working, what's not, and writes the exact batch of scripts based on real data. Every 48 hours, the system gets smarter. And it's not just an ad machine, it's a learning system. Traditional agencies charge $3,000 up to $8,000 for 10 to 15 videos. This system produces 500 videos a month for under $250. That's what we're building today. Let's get into it. First of all, we're going to Claude.ai and going through the sign up process. You can do it with Google or a separate email. So just go through the process, and after logging in, you will have to upgrade your account. So go to the bottom left-hand corner right here and click Upgrade Plan. And then you will see all the options right here. You will need the Pro plan for around 15 euros. After upgrading your account, you can go over here and type in Claude.ai/download. And here you can get the desktop app, which we're going to need for our setup. So just click download for macOS. After that, you will see your Claude icon after the download finished, and you will be able to use the desktop app. Also here we have to do some settings in order for our setup to work. So go to the bottom left-hand corner again and go to settings. Then we're gonna navigate to general, and here make sure that we see here under browser use, we allow all browser actions, and this icon right here is turned on. Then you're ready to go. The next thing that we're going to do is creating our Anthropic API key. For this, we go to platform.claude.com/login, and then we can sign up with the details we have just used to generate our Claude account prior to this. After going through the sign up process, we're gonna go to the left side and click on API keys, and then click on create key. Now just give your key a name, for example YouTube, and then click add. Then your key will be displayed. Make sure to save it immediately and put it into a Node document or something, because we will need it later on. Then also we're going to navigate to billing right here, and then we can top up our credits. For our project we will need like $10 or $20, so just go add credit card. You can type in the amount you want to top up, and then just enter in the details right here and click buy $10 of credits. The third and last step is going to be creating our Arcads Pro account. For this we're going to navigate to Arcads.ai, and then we're going to log in again with our credentials. And after going through that login process as well, we're going to navigate to the upper left-hand corner right here, and we're going to click on our profile photo, and then we're going to navigate to subscription and billing, and here you will be able to choose your plan. In our case, we're going to go with the Pro plan, which is around 200 euros, and we're going to need this one because then we have access to the public API. Here we're going to go to get new credentials, and then just click confirm, and it will show you your client ID as well as your client secret and the full authorization header. Make sure to save them all as well in your Node app, because we will need them in the next step. At this point, I also want to give a quick shout out to Arcads, who are also sponsoring this video. I've been using them already in the past, and as soon as you connect them to Claude, it gets really powerful as a tool, and you will see that for yourself in just a second. Our setup is now complete. We can now start building our video ad engine. And the good part, from here we can let Claude take over and let it do the hard work. So we're gonna now tell it to set up our project folder. So what we're gonna do right here is we're inside Claude right now, and we're gonna go over here to Cowork, and then we're gonna tell Claude to build our workspace. So what we're going to type in is the following, and the good part is we have like a full summary created for you guys, where you just can like basically copy and paste all of these commands we're now giving to Claude, so you can just replicate what we're doing right here. So the first thing we're going to tell him is create a folder called Vibe Ads on my desktop. inside it create subfolders, briefs, scripts and videos, confirm when done. So you can just copy that and then hit let's go. It might ask you for some access. In this case, just click allow. As you guys can see, it has now generated our folder and we can easily double check if it worked. So just type in something like what files are in the folder, in the Vibe Ads folder on the desktop, just hit enter and it will double check for you and you will see that Claude has now access to your desktop and yeah, it will list you exactly the video folder we have just generated, which is called Vibe Ads. And also again, for the instructions, it will be linked below. I think it will be a second link probably, where you can just like get this full text document where you can just copy and paste all of these questions we're giving to Claude here and all the instructions. So it makes it really easy for you to replicate it. Next thing that we're going to do is going to be providing Claude Cowork with the API keys we have generated in the beginning when we are doing our setup. So we're going to paste in the following. Inside the Vibe Ads folder on my desktop, create a file called .nv, which is basically just a separate text file which will live inside your product and can securely store all your API keys. And then we're going to paste in the values from our Anthropic API key from the beginning. You can just like change this to your ID. Then we're going to also paste in our Arcads client ID. Going to just change this right here as well as the client secret. And finally also paste in your basic authorization key. And afterwards you just click enter and it will be stored safely within your folder. We just pasted in our keys ourselves, and as you guys can see, it tells us now, yes, the keys are saved in the .nv file, so it now has also access to the API keys. And now we're moving on to the next step, which is basically creating the brain of our autonomous video ad system. So this will be the Claude MD file. It's also always called like the brain of the project we're building right here. It's like I would say the agent's permanent instructions. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste in the following, and let's take a quick look together. So it's again creating another folder on my desktop, which is the Claude MD file inside the Vibe Ads folder, and it goes as follows. It gives it a role. It's always good to give the LLM a role so it knows exactly what is its purpose. So you're a Vibe advertising agent. You create bulk UGC style video ads using the Arcads API, so it knows exactly what to do. And yeah, it also gives it an exact script timing. Of course, you could modify that to your personal needs, but this is like a blueprint which has worked very well for us in the past. And yeah, it gives a clear structure on how to structure the UGC style videos. Then it's gonna give a quality checklist as well with like different metrics. So it can like, for example, the timing matching, the CTA should not be missed, and so on. And yeah, moreover, it explains the Arcads API a little bit, so it knows exactly how to access our Arcads account and can generate those videos for us without us having to do anything. And yeah, that's basically it. So what we're going to do now is click enter again, and it will do all this for us, generate this Claude MD file, and then our agent has like permanent instructions where it can like orientate itself. As you guys can see, it has now generated our Claude.md file within the Vibe Ads folder. So the brain is now set for our agentic workflow. And in the next step, we want to give it our product brief. So we're going to tell it exactly what our product is in order so it can understand what is our target group, what's the name of the product, what's the price, where can the people buy it. And as a result, it will now exactly understand who to market our product to, and then can basically on base of that generate ads automatically. So we have a template for this, which is also linked below in the instructions, which you can then just fill in. So yeah, let's maybe take a quick look together. So we're going to again tell it to create a file called my product brief. So this is what will tell Claude all about our product, and it will also give it the name of our product right here, and it will describe what it does and the price. We can tell the Claude where to buy the product, so it can do like a shout out in the end, like go to our online shop and secure your first drink now, whatever. And then we tell a bit about the customer target group as well, so it can like also later on you will see it will pick the right characters with the right characteristics to exactly match our target group as well, which I think is honestly awesome. It makes it really flexible when it comes to like generating ads for different demographics as well. So then we can also name stuff like biggest frustration, so we can talk about some pain points in our ads as well. And as well, we're gonna give it some more information about the real customer language. We can also make some specific claims that our product may be solving. And also like the target, I would say, platform we're gonna publish this ad on, as well as like which audience we are reaching, if they're like cold, we haven't talked to them yet, or if they're maybe already following us and they're like, we're retargeting them, for example. and we can tell him how many ads we want in the beginning. So I will now fill this in for my product, and then we give this to Claude as well, and it will know exactly what our product is about. I have now inserted all the most important product information of our hypothetical product inside the product brief. So let's paste it in right here. And as you guys can see, we have our product Pink, which is an energy drink to give you a clean boost throughout the day. We name the price as well as where to buy it and so on. Talk about the target group, which in our case will be young, performance-driven people from 18 to 35 and so on. So it has all the most important information about our product right now. And now we're gonna hit enter right here. And by doing so, it will get a full brief of our product and it's like ready to generate our ads for us. So we have like the whole setup ready. So we can now run the agent. So let's do this together, guys. As you guys can see, it has now saved our brief and it knows exactly what our product is about. Let's double check that. So I will tell it, yeah, read the brief and tell me who's the target customer, maybe the top 3 pain points, as well as recommended hooks and the plan for the 20 scripts as well. So yeah, let's shoot that right into Claude and it will tell me like what it knows about our product based on that brief. And as you guys can see, it knows exactly that our target customer is performance-driven people around 18 to 35 years old who are into fitness and they want consistency, clean energy. It knows about all the top 3 pain points it's going to market our product around, for example, like crashing after an hour after drinking a typical energy drink, that coffee isn't strong enough, and that existing energy drinks feel unhealthy for them. So it gives us recommended hooks as well on how to approach this problem, for example, saying coffee isn't cutting it, or yeah, we want clean energy. And it gives us a plan for the 20 scripts as well. So I think we're ready right here. We have all the information inside Claude it needs to generate those scripts. So what we're going to tell it is the following. We're just going to say, the plan looks great. Now write all the 20 scripts and also follow the timing structure of the Claude.md file. So you guys remember in the beginning, we were setting up the brain of this agent, where we also told it about exactly how to structure those ads. And it can now connect the dots and take the structure we gave it in the beginning, connect this to the product brief we now just told it, and based off that, it will write 20 ad ready scripts for us. So all we're going to do now is hit enter and it will write all of these scripts without having to do anything on our side. As we can see, it has written all the 20 scripts for us and has saved them in a JSON file. So when we take a look, you will see all of those scripts it has made for our energy drink. And yeah, for example, it has like this following script. I stopped drinking energy drinks. They felt gross. Then I found Pink. I actually read the label, clean stuff, no weird chemicals. Gave me real energy for my run, no crash after. So you can see it really understands our product now. It has a clear understanding on how to market this to our audience. Now in the next step, it gets really crazy. We're now gonna let Claude browse through Arcads in order to choose the perfect characters based on our characteristics and our scripts. So let's do this together, guys. To enable Claude to browse through Arcads to find the perfect characters for us, we have to do one step in between. So we will go to claude.com/Chrome right here and download the Chrome extension for Claude so it can take over our browser. So all we're gonna have to do is click add to Chrome right here, and then you're gonna navigate to the right upper hand corner right here, click this icon and then just open Claude. And now Claude can look for your characters inside Arcads as well and do all the work for you. Now we can just go back to Claude and just tell it to browse through Arcads to find the characters. So we have the following prompt for it: open Arcads in the browser, navigate to the actor sections and filter by the demographic that matters, our ideal customer profile. And then it should recommend the best 4 to 5 actors for our product. And yeah, save them as a batch.json file inside the scripts. So we're just gonna send it off, and yeah, Claude is gonna take over from here and it's gonna choose the perfect characters for our video ad machine. As we can see, it has now chosen all our characters. So we're going with Nicole, who's like a fitness female athlete. We have Heather, who's like delivering a testimonial and social proof. We have as well Julie right here, who's a professional female. So you can really see it browsed through the whole library inside Arcads and choose the best fitting characters to our product. And yeah, now we can really kick everything off and just walk away and let it happen. So the last prompt we're gonna give to Claude is that it just read the batch.json file we have just generated right here. And then it should submit each of those scripts to the Arcads API. And yeah, using the talking actors endpoint from the Claude.md file we have generated previously. So it has like all the instructions right here on how to generate the videos, and it should then save all the finished video ads to our download folder /videos. And yeah, we're just gonna hit enter. Claude is gonna take over from here again, and it's gonna generate all of those videos. And as soon as it's done, it's gonna tell us, and we're gonna have a batch of video ads for our product Pink. Also, just a quick heads up, Claude Cowork might say that the network is blocked, and it will automatically switch to using the browser to make the API calls. What this means is, because we have installed the Chrome extension prior to this, it will just take over your browser in the background and will submit all the API calls through Chrome directly. And it's basically submitting everything the same way, but you have to keep in mind that it will take some time to do it manually. And it will take about, I would say, like 45 minutes to generate those ads for us, which is practically no problem because it will all run in the background. But you have to keep that in mind, that this process might take a little bit longer if it will choose this way to submit it. And just like that, Claude has generated multiple ads for us. As you can see, in our first batch we did 10 ads, all of them are done, and yeah, we're submitted to Arcads with the hook, with the script, and they're already there. So all we're gonna have to do now is download the videos, and even that can be automated. So all we're gonna have to do is give this prompt right here to Claude to download the videos. It's important that we do it with a Python script as stated right here. And yeah, just submit this to Claude as well, and it will take all the videos it has generated inside Arcads and will bring them straight into your project folder. And as we can see, Claude has now downloaded all our 10 videos to the video folder and gave them according names. So all of those 10 MP4 should be now ready to review in our video folder. So let's check it out. We go to our Vibe ads folder we have generated in the beginning, and then navigate to video. And as you can see, we have all our generated video ads right here, and they should be ready to post. So I would say we just take a quick look at them, and yeah, let's see how they turned out. So let's give it a run.
Good morning, guys. Quick routine update. I stopped drinking coffee and now I just go with Pink. It gets me going every day. You should try it.
Yeah, this is definitely awesome.
Okay, I'm just gonna say it. This energy drink Pink is a game changer. My performance during the workout is insane. I love Pink.
I love that he even starts lifting, so it's really powerful.
Hey guys, quick update. I love Pink. This drink gives me power every single day. You should give it a try.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yo guys, I actually stopped drinking Monster and switched to Pink, and I love it. You get real energy from clean ingredients. You need to try this.
Yeah, it's such an amazing thing what we can do nowadays with AI. I think this is really powerful. All of this was 100% automated within Cowork inside Claude, and we can now scale it from here and yeah, basically generate unlimited video ads for our product. And the amazing part, because you now have your whole ad production system inside Cowork, is you could start running those ads, and after 48 hours copy the metadata and just paste them in like something like this. Ads have been running for 48 hours. Here are the results. Then you just insert it right here. And based on this, analyze which hooks performs the best, which script is the best, and which character I should use. And Claude is so intelligent that it then will double down on the next ads with the exact structure that has been working in the past. And from here, you can really start building your whole product ad engine. This was the exact blueprint on how you can use Claude Cowork to build your fully autonomous product ad engine. So instead of hiring a traditional agency, which is a couple of $1,000s, you can use this system, which in total is around $240, and you can generate 200 to 500 ads with this. And the revision time will be minutes, and the cost per videos will be a few dollars. You can iterate really quickly, and the system will learn from your metadata, will improve every single time. So if you want to try it out, I have the full instructions as stated before right here, link below, as well as a link to Arcads if you want to try it. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.